Today, I'll be going through and showing you step-by-step instructions on how to install and change the ink cartridges into the Brother MFC-J995DW. This video also applies to these printer models here, and the compatible cartridges are these here. Let's get started. Ensure that your printer is turned on. The ink cartridges can be accessed here. When it is on, you can proceed to opening the ink cartridge cover. If you are installing the ink cartridge on a brand new printer, be sure to remove the yellow tape found at the top of the cartridge. Pull is labeled on this piece of tape. Remove this before you try to install the ink cartridges. If you are replacing empty ink cartridges, be sure to remove the old cartridges before starting. Now that we're where we need to be, we're going to take the ink out of the packaging. Remove the new ink tank from its packaging. For this printer, your magenta cartridge will be on the left side, followed by cyan, then yellow, and the black ink cartridge will be on the right. Now, press the front of the ink cartridge to release it, and then remove it from the slot. Make sure that you insert the ink cartridge into the slot that has the same color letter as the color you are installing, and make sure not to touch the gold contact points. Insert the ink cartridge in the direction of the arrow on the label. Each color has its own correct position. Gently push the area marked "Push" until the ink cartridge locks into place. Repeat steps 3 through 5 for each ink cartridge you are replacing. After you replace all the cartridges that need replacing, close the cover. If turned on, the printer should automatically start recognizing the cartridges being in place and process them to begin the printing process. All done. Now you're ready to print.